Welcome to Ardinos Food's exclusive guide on starting your very own cloud kitchen. With our experience in the food industry, we'll take you step by step through the entire process of building a successful cloud kitchen. Ardinos Foods believes in empowering entrepreneurs with the right knowledge to succeed. A cloud kitchen, also known as a ghost kitchen, is a delivery-only restaurant model revolutionizing the food industry. At Ardinos Foods, we emphasize the importance of research, identify popular cuisines, understand customer preferences, and evaluate competition before diving in. With years of expertise, Ardinos Foods suggests crafting a detailed business plan. This will guide your investment, target audience, and growth strategies. Ardinos Foods. Kitchens are equipped with cutting-edge tools to ensure efficiency and quality. Invest in the right equipment to meet your operational needs. We at Ardinos Foods understand the importance of operating legally. Ensure you obtain all necessary licenses and certifications to run your cloud kitchen smoothly. Ardinos Foods has partnered with leading delivery platforms to reach a wider audience. Ensure your menu is optimized for online delivery and visibility. Promote your kitchen like Ardinos Foods through strategic marketing. Use social media, collaborations, and customer engagement to create a buzz. Hire skilled staff and train them to maintain the standards of excellence that Ardinos Foods is known for. Monitor performance using feedback and analytics, just like Ardinos Foods does, to continuously improve and deliver exceptional quality. Starting a cloud kitchen is an exciting journey. With this guide from Ardinos Foods, you're equipped to achieve success in the food industry. Let us inspire you to cook up greatness. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights from Ardinos Foods.